Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV, a channel where I create content on how you can earn money online via cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing and online opportunities. So if you are new to this channel and you love all this content, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. This will help you when I upload a new video like this. You can also watch our previous videos on how you can earn money online. In this video, I want to teach you how you can claim 5,000 Metaufo token. This company are currently doing airdrop, and the airdrop was over $2,000 at the moment. So I have a link in the description button. When you click on the link, it will direct you to this page. So after that, you will click on join airdrop. When you click on join airdrop, it will direct you to another page like this. Then you will click on this link, this Telegram link. This link will also direct you to Telegram. It will bring out this. Make sure you click on start. This will pop out. Click on join airdrop and make sure you join any of these groups. Join their channel, the two, and submit your Telegram username. When you are done with that, make sure you follow them on Twitter, retweet their Twitter pinned tweet, then copy your retweet link and drop it. When you click on that Twitter, it will bring follow. Make sure you follow them. I'm currently following, and make sure you also click here to retweet. Click here. When you click on it, you will be able to retweet their post. When you are done, go back to the Telegram. In this place, you will submit your retweet link. Now to do that, you need to go back to your Twitter, locate your profile, this is the link I retweeted. Click on this share button and copy your link. So when you copy it, you go and post it back on Telegram. When you are done posting it, you click on get code. They will generate a verification code for you. This is my verification code. So once you are done with the verification code, make sure you write it down or copy it. Now the next thing to do is to copy this link, this particular link, copy it and go to your trust wallet. Now you click on tabs, paste the link you copy on the Telegram here, click on join airdrop. So the verification code that was generated to you on the Telegram, you paste it here and you click on verify now. This is the verification link. Make sure you copy it and paste it on the trust wallet link. So this is how to claim the Metaufo token. The contact address is also available in the description button. You can copy the contact address and activate it on your trust wallet. So you have to wait for like 48 hours for it to drop on your wallet. So this is how to claim the token. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. You can also like this video, and if you have any comments, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video.